Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Magdalena Dalmasio. I am 52 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids. I finished high school graduate. I work experience in Hong Kong 15 years. My first job I taking care 7 adult. As a domestic helper, my responsibilities, duties, cooking, marketing, washing, ironing, and housekeeping. The second job experience, I taking care for adult. My duties is cooking, marketing, ironing, washing, and housekeeping. The third job experience, I taking care 3 adult. My responsibilities, duties, cooking, marketing, washing, ironing, housekeeping, and I taking care cat and dog. Then the current job, I taking care for adult as domestic helper, responsibilities, duties, cooking, marketing, ironing, washing, housekeeping. Ma'am and sir, I am caring, loving, and hardworking. Ma'am and sir, if give you a chance as a domestic helper, I assure you I taking care. I am good. I always happy to serve you. Ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless.